Justin earns $26.20 an hour for a normal 36-hour week. He is paid overtime for any extra hours worked. He earns time and a half for the first 6 hours of overtime and double time after that. Find his normal weekly wage without working any overtime. Well, we know he gets paid $26.20 an hour, and a normal week is 36. So 26.20, multiply that by 36, and that's $943.20. In 1 week he worked 45 hours. So that's 45 take away 36, giving us 9 hours of overtime. So for 6 of those, he gets paid time and a half. So 6 multiplied by his 26.20, and then for time and a half, we multiply by 1.5. Or you could just work this out and then add half of it back on. It's up to you. So that's 6 multiplied by 26.20 multiplied by 1.5, and that's 23580. And then, so the remaining 3 overtime hours he must do at double time. So that's going to be 3 multiplied by 26.20, and this time we'll multiply that by 2 because it's double time, so 157.20. So his total pay is going to be the $943.20 that he gets for a normal week, add the 235.80, which is his overtime for time and a half, and the 157.20, which is his overtime for double time, and that gives us 1,336 and 20 cents. Paul is paid a retainer of $325 a week plus 7% commission on all of his sales. Calculate his earnings for a year in which he had sales totaling $895,000. Okay, so this is weekly. So to get it yearly, we need to multiply by 52. And then this is a yearly amount. So we want 7%. So 0.07 as a decimal. And multiply that by the sales. So we just need to calculate that. So that's going to be 52 multiplied by 325. We'll add that to 0.07 multiplied by 895,000, and that's 79,550. Jane earns a salary of $72,000. She is about to take holidays. If she receives a 7.5% leave loading, determine her total pay for the 4 weeks of her holiday. So we need to know what 4 weeks of standard pay is to start with, and 72,000 a year. So if we do 72,000, and we'll divide that by 52 to get weeks, and then multiply by 4 to get 4 weeks. So 72,000 divide by 52 multiply by 4 gives us 5538 and 46 cents. Now she's going to get an extra 17.5% of that as well. So if we do 0.175 multiplied by this last answer, So 0.175 multiplied by 553,846 gives us 969.23. And so if we add those, so we've got 553,846, add 969.23, gives us 6507.69.